have problems with my lower back, spasms, fatigue, and digestion. Let's see how it's all connected. So, lower back, most of the time, it's the kidneys. It's a reflection of the kidneys, okay? Spasms is your adrenals, parathyroid, okay? Nervous system issues, a neurological issue. Fatigue, your adrenals. And digestion, adrenals and pancreas, okay? And liver. So you can see it's all interconnected. So when one goes down, when the kidneys go down, you have the lower back pains and the spasms. The neurological system is affected. The adrenals control the neurological system. The digestion is controlled by the adrenals as well as the pancreas and the liver. And the entire gut region is congested. So you essentially have acidosis of the whole body and mucus and acids affecting the entire body. But your weak points are your lower back, your digestive system, okay, your gut, and your adrenals. These are the weak points, and kidneys. So, 100% fruit diet and use herbs for the entire body. The Fabulous 5, I would use the Fabulous 5, the kidney tea. Okay, always these are the base. Remember, always the base, kidney tea. And use extra herbs for the adrenals. Maybe use an adrenal glandular. Use extra herbs for the pancreas and liver. And use extra herbs for the neurological system. We call it neurological 1 tincture. It targets the brain and nervous system. And I would add a circulation herb system for the upper body and lower body to help circulate and move blood and help move mucus as well, okay? Lymph system, sorry.